Friends, Cheeseburguru here on Saturday, December 9th, 10:39 a.m. my time, Pacific time. Just reassessing this chart here of the Bitcoin price, and I'm starting zoomed out here on the weekly. Um, Momentum indicator, great. As you know, I don't take too much stock in that, but as a general idea, it's important we know that this is a time to be long, not short. And this red line here is the 50% retracement from this movement, from this top here, all-time high, down to here, the 15,650 or so level. I'll get into this pink line in a second. But so what we've done is we've rallied all the way back, and now people are calling for retracements. Some people are calling for pressing forward. We don't know. I don't know. It looks pretty healthy. I mean, can we end the week here? Would it make sense for 3 or 4 weeks for us to sort of drift around on this line? Sure, that could happen. Would it make sense to rush up to 46,500 or 48 or 50,000 and then come back down to this red line and then fake everyone out and then go back? Sure, absolutely. Anything can happen. Let's look at the daily. On the daily, we have this point of curiosity, this 50% retracement line, well beat for the moment. And you know, it pierced on Tuesday, closed above the red line on Tuesday. Then we had Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and here we are still looking healthy, floating around up here, consolidating. So I'm still long, and my entry point, my average price for my entry was 43,761, demarcated by this blue line. And let's take a little closer look on the hour chart. Okay, so my average price is right just above this pink line, which is the 50% tracement of this move from here, this high of 44,465 to this low right here, which is 42,885. So the pink line is right in the middle. And you know that I like that as just a general notion, you know, like are we feeling strong, or are we feeling weak? Are we testing our upside potential as we were here, and then we failed, and then we began to test our downside potential and we failed, which of course then indicates that the true price, the point of control, the most sensible, realistic price for Bitcoin over this time period is sort of right in the middle here. And we're still figuring it out if we want to go higher or not. So there's nothing that I can really do other than watch this market and sit here. If I started to see hour or 4-hour closings below this level here, I would think we're going to go to the next point of curiosity down below the big red line. Likewise, if I start to see prints above this level, I'm thinking we're going to go higher. See, here was the level before, and we printed above it. And that got everyone excited, got me excited, but we know how markets work. It comes back, liquidates some longs. People got long there, and now we're hanging out here, and who knows what it's going to do, but like it could try several times, or it could try one more time, or we don't know. But my point is that there is nothing to do but meditate on this and to stay long. And another thing is, I love seeing these wicks, and I love them because novice traders will often look at these and say, they'll see a wick and say, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, there's so much distribution going on here, they're selling it and it's going to go down. But really all it takes is a close above one of these wicks and you got a short squeeze going on. And a short squeeze is exactly what you want to power the market up to these next levels. Get us started with a short squeeze, new longs come in, so on and so forth. So that's how I'm assessing it right now. We'll see what pans out, and you know I'll be here to talk about it. Take care, my friends.